Hi, good morning. I just thought that I would do a little video to show you the changes that we have made for assessment. We're starting assessments. I'm starting assessments today. I'm here alone because we have a huge backlog and we have a lot of people who are really in need of their assessments for submission dates and exams. We actually have a lot of NHS workers, so obviously we want to do our bit to make sure that they're not caused any further stress. So I just thought I'd do a little video and show you the changes that we have put in place to manage the corona situation, just in case you are coming for an assessment, or you have your child coming for assessment, or you are thinking about booking an assessment, because we have had a lot of enquiries with people who have really noticed issues with their children and have contacted us recently to make appointments. We are pretty full. We are assessing right till the end of July, but we still have space to fit some more in before September starts again. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the lovely clean Toucan room. There's going to be nobody here. And here we have a snack fridge of packaged drinks and water and biscuits, so that we are not offering cups of tea and touching too many things. This is the assessment room with a new addition of this plastic screen, which actually isn't too bad. I was quite upset about it, I have to say, but it's not too bad, and it's got quite a big hatch. So obviously if you're coming for assessment with a younger child, you can show them the video and tell them not to worry. I was thinking about putting some stickers on or something, I'm not sure. So we're all ready to go there. And then you can see there's a glass wall, so if you've come with your parent, we're only allowing one adult at the moment, but that might change. They can sit and wait on this sofa, some magazines, or bring a book, or enjoy some time child-free looking at your phone, or sitting quietly, and they can still see you. So we're all set up. We are asking people to wash their hands when they come in, and we have got a towel that'll be washed and kept just for you. Okay, so we'll hopefully see you soon. I know a lot of people have been emailing, asking about bookings, because they've noticed some issues over the lockdown time in their children. So